I'm Darren McDonald from Total Trainer, and today I'm going to share with you some ideas for healthy snack mix recipes. Contrary to popular belief, snacking throughout the day is actually a smart strategy when you want to stay lean and fit. Eating every 2 to 3 hours provides your body with the nutrients it needs to stabilize blood sugar levels, to boost your metabolism, and to give you the energy you need to get through your day. But although snacking is beneficial, you really have to be careful when you're making your snack selections. Most people will grab for pretzels or chips or ice cream, something like that, and even though it says low-cal or fat-free, they're loaded with sugar and carbs that will spike your insulin and turn your body from a fat burner into a fat storer. So now I'm going to share some ideas with you that are big on flavor and texture and won't put the brakes on your fat burning ability. So right here we have some cherry tomatoes and mozzarella balls that we can then drizzle a little bit of balsamic vinegar over. Next, we take some jicama strips, red peppers, and we mix it with some cottage cheese for our protein source that has had a little hint of lemon pepper dashed throughout it. Next, we have a low-fat, low-carb toaster waffle that we've smeared some peanut butter with. We really like this Naturally More peanut butter because not only is it a great source of fat, but it also has added protein. Our next recipe shows one of our low-carb tortilla wraps that we've added some ham, cheese, and a little bit of spicy mustard over. Tastes great every time. And finally, we have some Greek-style yogurt. What we love Greek-style yogurt is because it has twice the protein of normal yogurt and it has a lower carb count. We mix that with a little bit of Splenda or stevia, no sugar because sugar spikes our insulin, and we can put in a few blueberries, as you can see here, because blueberries are high in antioxidants and fiber. And that's how you make healthy snack mix recipes. I'm Darren McDonald for Total Trainer saying, remember, be good to your metabolism and it'll be good to you. For more information on how to boost your metabolism and to find out your personal body chemistry, please check out our website at www.gototaltrainer.com, and you can find these delicious recipes posted there on our blog as well.